guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, I need you to do something before we even get into what we're doing. Okay, so I'm just gonna wait for you to subscribe with my imaginary watch, and we'll do that. Okay, now that you have, welcome back. If you're new, my name is Nee, also Neoma, and in the back of me is Deon, CrownedByD. So she's a little camera shy, so she may not really talk like how I'm talking to you guys. But the point of this is that we are going to show you guys how to do passion twist. And when I say we, it's mainly her. So I'm really excited. This is my first time doing passion twist. I'm going to have all the details and like what I use, what products and everything in my description box. But I'm excited. Guys, I've been hearing about it so much. It's been trending. A lot of people have been talking about it. And I'm so excited. Boho Babe is the person who created passion twist. So shout out to Boho Babe because she did her thing. I mean, now everyone's doing it, and I mean, I love the style. I just can't wait to try it out, you know? And you know me, I mean, I'm always trying things out, so it's like only right. And I also want to credit Unique Renee because I'm actually using her the exact same color she did with her passion twist, and it's probably going to be around the same length as well. So it's just a mix of colors. So shout out to Unique Renee. So if you want to see how to achieve this passion twist look, keep on watching. Okay, so this is for what again?
This is for like, okay, so we don't want to get that sharp, choppy look when you do twist. Then it will unravel faster anyways. So I do it this way, cut it first. That way when I open it and separate it, it will be like a layered type of look.
Okay.
So I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of the process in which she twists my hair. So this is actually very easy when it comes to just the style of this because it's literally just like doing box braids turned into a twist. The only difference is that she combs out the actual hair to give it more of a thick, messy look. She's also touching up my natural hair with her gel, her CrownedByD gel, to sort of tame my hair so my hair doesn't like stick out through the twist. You guys this part especially because as you can see she combs out the end to make the hair like I guess thicker at the bottoms of that boho freeing look. And yet before, here's another example of how she did the twist. I just want to make sure that this is a very easy sort of step-by-step process. If you are familiar with box braiding or doing twists, then this is literally just the same thing. Now she's crocheting pieces of hair onto my hair to just give it more, once again, more of like a messy boho look. A few curls here and there. This is optional. This is something that we decided to just do and add. And I think it's cute.
Teamwork made it work, you know, because you don't look at all.
Yes.
Look at it.
So as you guys can see, this is the final look. If you're wondering about my edges, I use the CrownedByD's Edge Control. Honey, I mean, do you see this? Do you see this? Do you see these edges, the way they're laid though? You could actually buy this. You could buy this. These edges were bought, sort of. CrownedByD's Edge Tamer is a strong hold, so yes, it will lay down your edges. But let's get to the hair real quick. So tell me what you did.
So what we did was to give it extra curls. We crocheted just little strands of the same hair we used, which was the
Freetress water wave.
And we just added some little ringlets of hair to give it more of a fuller look and just fluff. Oh my gosh, I love it.
Right, and then she also added rings to it to give it that edgy boho look.
So cute.
Deon, once again, is based in Brooklyn, New York, but she also travels and she may be coming to your city next. Where are the next cities you're going to?
I'm going to Chicago at the end of the month.
Chicago.
I'm going to Boston in May.
Boston.
I have Philly,
Vegas,
California.
She's all over.
Yeah.
So go to her Instagram and she will give you live updates on where she'll be next. But guys, let's just say I'm happy that she's in New York. She's based in New York because this style, like, honestly and truly, it definitely is a look that takes some time to get used to because I've never done a style like this. Because it's not like it's crochet hair. It's not like it's just twists. It's not like it's just braids. It's just like a mixture of all three of that. And this is the look. So I can part my hair in different ways. And then I think what I'm really excited about too is the fact that this hair will get old, and the older it looks, the better it will look. Are we here for these passion twists? Shout out to the Boho Babe. She girl, you did your thing. You created definitely a trend. And shout out to Deon for doing these. I can't wait to do like, I don't know, like I can do a nice little high ponytail because I love the fact that these aren't too long. Do you know what I mean? I could do a little half up, half down style, you know. I've seen a lot of people do the longer style, which is cool, but I want to try something like short and like different because I'm usually always doing long, big hair. So this is it. Thumbs up if you try this style and comment below. I'll see you guys in my next video.